we freaking eat up on these. We're sharks and we eat up on these freaking bears and bulls. It doesn't matter. We make money either way. We're not gonna be waiting for a bull market or a bear market. We're making money no matter what market we're in. So sharks, let's get this going. We are the shark traders, all right? We're all sharks in the market, and we're just here and want to make money, want to make a living. So if y'all with me, go ahead and hit the subscribe, hit the like button, and let's get this trade going, guys. All right. Remember, this is not a financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes. So please, this is for entertainment. This is for not financial advice. Let's get this thing on the road now, guys. All right, so we're in ranges right here, okay? Ranges, ranges, ranges. Everybody loves ranges. I mean, a lot of people don't, but I love ranges because when we're in ranges, contract or agreement saying, hey, we'll go to the when the bulls go to the top, the bears go to the bottom. That's basically what a range is. Now, sometimes in ranges, okay, it might do something like this and go above it, right? When it comes outside of the range, guess what happens? Right here, we have the bulls on top of the range. Guess what happens? When it goes too much above the range, it always comes right back down to the bottom of the range. Maybe even a bit lower, right? And there's two ranges. It'll probably range from the top range all the way to the bottom range. Come probably out of the range into some support, come back to the top, maybe come above to some resistances. You know what I mean? And so on and so forth. So when we're in ranges, why I love ranges? Because when we're above the range like this right here, we can get, most likely we're going to go down. So all I'm doing is waiting for signal on it trying to go down, making sure it doesn't make higher highs. Okay, we're trying to see if it gets lower lows so that we can go ahead and get in on this trade. My trade is going to be is I never trade in the middle of a range. So in the middle of these ranges, I don't trade. I might trade, right? I might trade right here, right? I might trade on, you know, this part of the range. I'll trade from the bottom. When I trade from the bottom, guess what, guys? I'm going upwards, right? I'm going upwards. This is what I'm doing. When I'm on the top, okay? Give me a second. My thing is messing up. When I'm on the top of a range, okay? You guys guessed it. I want to go to the bottom of the range. So from the bottom of the ranges, I want to buy and make money going up to the top of the ranges. When I'm on the top of a range, I want to sell and make money to the bottom of a range, correct? To the bottom of a range. So that's basically what it is. That's why I love ranges. When it's up here, I like to make money going down. When it's down here, I like to make money going up. Forget the mess that I have here, guys. It's just trying to show you a little something, something. You know what I mean? Just a little something, something. Okay, guys, we're back. The Skull Sharks. I am seeing this buying pressure, coming from the bottom. I see this W here with lower lows, even though this is in the range, but that's giving me sign that this thing wants to go down, right? So basically, to show you what I'm talking about, it makes a W, right? And it makes lower lows. So lower lows. So it's showing me that this right here, okay, showing me that this wants to sell. Comes back up. This is like a trap play. It makes higher highs to make people believe like it's gonna keep going higher, but it's not. It's just a trap. And what is it gonna do? Gonna blow past down, past these lows, probably back down to the bottom of this range, maybe into this support over here. And if it does that, we will be making a lot and lots and lots of money. Like I said, remember,
Order filled.
this is not financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes, and maybe so you can have some education, a little bit. But this is not financial advice. So do not take this as financial advice. I will put on my stop because this is a very good signal. We have a W here, right? So we have type of a, you know, trap play going on here. We have lower lows, so that's how we know that this came up past these highs. It's faking people out, telling people, hey, we're gonna go back up. We're gonna go back up. We're not. It faked people out. Now it's making lower lows, and it came here. It came down. Bulls tried once, came down. The bulls tried twice. It's bouncing off the bottom of this EMA. The EMA line is this yellow line. This is the 21 EMA. This is what I use. I do not use anything else. I don't need a whole bunch of indicators to tell me where the market's going. All you need is your brain, the patterns that you have, and all that. So what I am going to do, I am going to put one contract, and let's put it down. Oh, let's see. Watch the picture. Let's put it down here, okay? And let's get the first contract, and let's put it over here. Let's put this contract over here. Okay. So we have the, it's not really the one to one. I think if it is, whatever, it's okay. So we have the one to one here, basically, more or less, and we have two contracts out. So here in futures, we have four contracts, and we have two on our first target. Our second target is going to be one contract, and our last contract, which is our runner, is going to be over here. At 38.39.25. That's how I'm doing it. That's how we roll. We like to make some money, 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 money. Ooh, money. Money, money, money. You know what? Guys, this is a runner. Does this look like a runner this close up? No, right? I'm just going to put it down. What's up? If it hits it, if it hits it, I don't care. My most important thing right now is getting my first contract out. After that, my stop goes down to point of entry. I've made money. Anything happens after that, it's just extra change, right? Extra change in the pocket. So I'm so confident about this trade. I'm pulling this all the way up here. You know why? Because I don't want no damn bots or financial institutions trying to come back up, right? What they try to do is this is a guarantee. This is a really good pattern. It's pretty guaranteed. They trapped everybody up here, right? To fake them out, like they were gonna keep buying. They're not too high to buy. We're in the range. We're going back down to the bottom of the range. Remember, contract between the Bulls and the Bears. Once it goes up above the range, it comes right back down until there is not a range and it starts trending. But this is not a trend. This is just a trap here. And now we're making a failure with lower lows, right? So the bulls tried once, came down, make lower lows. Bull tried twice. This is why this is my entry. And guess what? We're up 250 bucks already, boys. Let's get it. Let's get it, boys. All right, let's do this. Okay, let's put this contracts out where I need to be. So we're gonna need one, two, three, four, five, seven. So let's put it here. This is a swing low over here, right? This is a swing low. So let's put it right at the ending of those candles. So my first contract's gonna be at the ending of these candles. Um, you want to have your first contracts basically. Um, you don't want to have it too far down, of course. You want to guarantee your money first, right? So let's go actually a tick above that, right? Let's go just one tick above that just to guarantee that money. We're about one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So about 7 points should be your first contract always. That's more or less the one to one. And one, two, three, four, five, six, seven. So my stop should be actually over here, but since I'm gangster like that, I have it a little bit higher just to play it safe because I know that you need it. We're not here to gamble. And if you're just trading blindly or trading news, you're just gambling. For that, just go play the lotto. If you want to gamble or if you want to do this out of luck, like be lucky, if you want to be a lucky person, right? Or try to gamble for luck or whatever, go play the lottery, go to a casino. Man, trading is not for luck, man. You're going to lose all your money. You're going to blow up your account that way. Trading has to be technical, okay? You have to be technical. You have to know what you're doing. You have to know higher lows, higher highs, lower lows, lower highs. You need to know directions of the market. You need to be basically trading, and most of the time, especially as a new trader, you'll be better off trading in the direction of the general market. So if we're in a bear market, you need to be selling, especially as a new trader, you need to be selling most of the time. Now, if we're in a bull market, you need to be buying, right? You need to be looking for signals and patterns for buying. Now, if you're a professional trader already, you've been doing this for years, like I have, then you can go, you can buy or sell because you'll know what's going on. You know the patterns. You know what to get in on, what not to get on, get in on. What is a good trade? What is a bad trade? You'll know, right? But as a beginner trader, man, just go with the market, man. If the market has been bullish for, let's say, 6 months or a year, you need to be. I'm sorry. If the market is bearish for 6 months to a year, you need to be selling. Okay, you should not be buying, especially as a new trader. Every trade you do should be, of course, not every single trade like that happens in the market, but for your trades, you should be in a seller. So in a bear market, you should be a seller. 100 or 90% of the time, you need to be a seller. Wow, guys! Wow, wow! This thing just dropped. Wow, this thing just dropped. Holy smokes! This thing just dropped. What did I tell you guys? This thing just dropped. And it took out my first target, which was 2 contracts, and it took out my um, third contract. I'm sorry, my second contract, which was one, my second target. So it took out my first target, which was 2 contracts, and it took out my second target, which was 1 contract. I have one down here, so I'm just hoping, right now what I'm going to be doing is putting this to the point of entry, which the first thing I said is once you get your first target, go to point of entry. But I actually had to walk away from my computer because I knew this was going to work out. And right when I came back, this thing just flushed. It flushed. So good thing I came back on time. We're still good. Um, we're good. We're good. So first target, stop goes to the point of entry. All right, stop goes into the point of entry. Now we are in our runner. Right now, whatever we get out of this now is gonna be just extra, right? We already made our money. Our stop goes to the point of entry. Okay, stop goes to point of entry. Good thing I had my stop up here. Like I told you guys, these these institutions and these bots, they like to run your stops, guys. So let's get it. We're almost done with this trade. They like to, so they see how they came all the way up here. If your stop would have been here, you would have been stopped at the market and with a loss. So that's why I always put my stop up high, man. And if you can up here on the previous high, this would even be a better one, even safer. I should have put it up there because what if that thing came just a little bit higher? And I had that thing far, but that's fine. The 1 to 1, that was good, that was good. 7 points, you know. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if you had it exactly 7 points, it wouldn't have gotten you out, which is good. That's my motto: 7 points, right? Or actually 7.5. That's where I usually keep my stops. 7.5 points, right? But if you want to be, more guaranteed, 7 points is always it. So that's why I put it 7.5. But if you want to be more guaranteed, 8 to 9 points would be a good stop, good place to keep your stop. So right now, since I have all my most of my contracts out, I'm just waiting on my runner. I will be moving my stop down soon, not just yet. Um, just in case this comes back and it has more juice to give me. I don't want to bring it down too quickly because what I'm doing is I move it down when I'm able to go 2 red candles back. So this last candle, 2 red candles back will be past my point of entry. I can't do that. It will be up here. So I cannot put it up there because then I will lose if it comes back up. My point of entry is here. I have to be able to have whatever candle's on, 2 red candles behind that, correct? I need to have 2 red candles behind that. So let's just say there's a red candle over here, right? And 2 red candles would be at 38.63, or let's say 38.69. Then I would move it to up right above 38.69. I will keep it like right here, right? That would be where my stop will go next. But I don't see 2 red candles back, so this is a red candle. 1, 2 will be over here. I can't do that. So I just keep it right now at the point of entry. And let's see what happens here. All right, guys, I'm back. I'm back. Let's see. So let's see. Let's count. This red candle, one, two. We can put it two candles back, or we can put it to a previous swing high, which would be right here. So this previous swing high, I brought it down. So now, if it comes back and hits my stop, guess what, guys? It will. I will not only be making money on my first two targets, but I'll be making money for this last target from here to here. So all this amount of points is what I will be making. If it does come back up and pass this swing high, then I'd rather it get me out. So I put it on the previous swing high. So that if it does get me out, guess what? I'll still be okay. I'll still be a-okay. Let's keep it just a little bit higher from that swing. I like to get it just a little bit higher from that swing high, just in case it wants to tap just where it is there and come back down. I'm a little safe. Okay, put it right there. Okay, that's perfect. Should not get me out there. If it does, then oh well, it wasn't meant to be. Contract cost me $500, and on just one contract, not part. I'm not talking about the other ones I already made money on. Just on this one contract, this runner, I've made over $1,000. So I'm gonna bring my stop down here, just in case it comes up. It'll probably get me out around $900 or whatever. So this is the previous swing high. I'm going to keep it right here, and I'm just going to keep it there for now, just in case it does come back and stop me out. I'll still have made probably around $900 to $1,000 still on just this last one contract down here. Just this last guy right here. Let's keep it right there. All right, and I'm gonna cut the video again. Just giving you guys an update on this trade. I'm gonna cut the video to probably the end. All right, guys. This one contract right here, I'm up only on one contract. This contract right here, this one, just one contract, guys. One contract costs $500 out of your money. So you pay $500 for one contract, and on $500, I've already what 10x. I don't know what this is. The X on it, the 100x. I don't know what this is, but or 1,000x. I don't know what this is, but with $500, guys, this is one contract costs 500, and I have already made $1,762 on this one contract. 1,800 on this one contract, guys. This is one. If you guys want to trade just one contract, because you only have $500, let's just say, or 800 or $1,000, but you don't want to, use your whole trading value. One contract on this futures, guys, costs $500 to get in on a trade. It costs you $500 for one contract. And look how much money. This is the amount of money I've made on just one. Look at the one right there. One contract. I've made 1,800 or whatever on one contract, guys. So I'm waiting for the next swing high so I can move my stop down and guarantee more money. Um, let's see. All right, guys. So I'll go ahead and update you guys in a little bit when it gets close to hitting my target or stopping me out. Either or. Okay, back. All right, guys. We're back. We are back. One contract, I'm up $1,700. I did move my target here. I moved it just a bit up, right? Because I'm tired of wait. I mean, I'm not tired of waiting. It's just,
Target filled.
oh, guys, let's go. So I did make money. Made about, I don't know, $1,800 in that one contract plus the other contracts I have. Let's see how much money I've made. Look at this, guys. I've made a total, right? A total of $3,262 with 50 cents, guys. Wow, this is my total P&L for today on this trade alone, guys. Wow. That's just with four contracts, right? But let's just say if you guys don't have enough money to trade with, like, four contracts is basically going to cost you $2,000, okay? $2,000, but I made $1,262 in total. Most of that came from my runner because it did work out for me. The market did work out perfect for me. on that trade, but either way, I would have made at least what $800,000 on the other contracts. And sometimes if you trade with 8 contracts, the more contracts you trade, the more money you make, right? Okay, so but on just one contract, guys, I made what $1,800, $1,900, right? 1,800. Let's say 1,800, right? On one contract. So if you guys don't have $2,000 to trade with, you can probably you can trade with $500 and make 1,000 something dollars. And this we started this trade up here, right? So we started this trade at 8:04, okay, a.m. 8:04 a.m. and we finished this trade. We just finished this trade around 9:30, so about an hour, okay? Because this it was a little slow, but now it's 9:30. Now look, the market's going to start moving a lot faster now. So the market's just futures is open, right? The futures market is open. Let me move this out the way so I can talk to you guys. The futures market is open already since last night. It opens up at 6 a.m. I mean, sorry, 6 p.m. and it runs all the way to 6 p.m. the next day, right? It closes for an hour and then, sorry, guys. So the market opens up at 6 p.m. and then it closes again 5 p.m. So from 6 p.m. to 5 p.m. the next day, then the market closes for an hour. So from 5 to 6 every day it'll be closed, and then it opens back up at 6 p.m. all the way to the next day again till 5 p.m. So it's open 23 hours a day, futures market. So this is the ES, which is the S&P 500. This is the futures for the S&P 500. That's what this is right now, and you're trading basically the S&P 500. So you're trading this index, right? So hey guys, go ahead and put the like. Go ahead and put the thumbs up on the video, like the video, subscribe if you can. If you really like my trading style, I'm gonna go ahead and put in more trading and putting a whole bunch of videos of trading. I'll put in shorts for you guys. If you guys don't want to watch the longer version, you can watch a shorter version of this video, and shorts will be posted on the channel as well. And if you guys really like this trading, guys, and you guys want to learn more, of course, for entertainment purposes, I have to say this every video, for entertainment purposes. And I am not a financial advisor, so if you guys like my trading, you want to watch it, go ahead and subscribe, put on the notifications so that you don't miss a video, so you guys can go ahead and start learning uh, from video to video. So I'm here to help you guys get better, and I just want to see you guys do great and make some money. So you guys want to be traders. If you're already a trader but you need a little bit of help, or you're a new beginner trader, man, this is the channel for you. I really would appreciate all the support that I can get from you guys. Until the next video, later, sharks.